Welcome to Home Screen. Now, if you want to remove your phone number into your Facebook, first just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner or your profile icon. So in iPhone or Apple devices, it will be just in the bottom. And after that, it will be just the same process moving on. Go to the settings or the gear icon. Select See More in Accounts Center over here, tap on it at the top. Now, here, just simply go for personal details down below. And now, here, just simply go for your contact info. So go ahead and tap on it. And from here, to remove your number, just simply select the number that you have on your Facebook. And from here, you should be able to see at the bottom, delete number. Tap on it. And from here, you will have a warning that this will be deleted and you should not be able to use the two-factor authentication anymore. So anyway, just simply select delete to remove your phone number. So guys, an email will be sent to you and just simply provide the code and tap on continue. And after that, as you can see, you've deleted your previous number and it has now been successful. I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching.